tomorrow. This is called sinigang. I love it very sour. Tasty. I see a little silhouette of a bar. I was drinking a shit bagoong with sour mango. Video time and San Miguel with ice for me. Hello. The only thing I know how to cook. The stuff's easy to make very quick when I'm lazy to cook. We eat pancit canton with bread. Even like it with an egg. Mamacitas, mamacitas. All we need is rice and nilaga for my barkada. For my barkada. Oh, I'm riding. Oh, I'm riding. Riding on a jeepney. Perfect. Exit. Okay, tapos na. Yung kanta. 7 years, Lucas Graham. Kanta, apat, eh. Seven years. We're riding on a jeepney. 你好，伤灵爽。Mana nang tayo? Di man lagi. Once I was 7 years old, my mama told me, go make yourself some friends or you'll be lonely. Once I was 7 years old. A big, big world, but because we were bigger, putting each other to the limits, we're learning quicker. By 11, smoking herbs and drinking burning liquor. Never rich, so we were out to make that steady figure. Once I was 11 years old, my daddy told me. Once I was 20 years old. Later, once I was 20 years old, started got old. I tried to buy once or twice a month. I'll be 60 years old. Soon I'll be 60 years old. I think the world is cold. I have a lot of children who can hold me. Soon I'll be 60 years old. I was 7 years old. My mama told me, go make yourself some friends or you'll be lonely. Once I was 7 years old. I was 7 years old. Ito naman punta. Sa kaya nito? Counting stars. Where the hell is... Dili, Chad. Si. Country roads, take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home. Country roads, take me home.